Aloha, my name is Sepasi and welcome to our Extractor video. Extractor is a super vacuum cleaner that cleans carpet and upholsteries. Today we will be going over carpet cleaning. Let's take a look. This control is the top control. 1 drop, 3 drops. 1 drop is used in hotel rooms because it dries fast. 3 drops are used for dirty carpets and needs time to dry. So you have to make sure that you have time enough for it to dry. The next button on the right is the on and off button. The left is on, the right is off. Next, we're going to go to the selector switch. The selector switch is on the vacuum. Turn that to the left all the way. Selector switch left, top control left. They both have to be turned to the left, otherwise the vacuum will not work. Important to remember, top left, selector switch bottom left. Next is the brush control. When you're standing in front of the machine, it is on the bottom right. When you're not vacuuming, leave the brush control up, but when you're ready to vacuum, push it down. That way the brushes are ready to be used. Remember, when you're not vacuuming, push it up, push it around, and when you're ready to vacuum, push it down, and now you're ready to vacuum. Next is the handle control. This control is on the handles where you push the machine. It is underneath. Squeeze when you want the soap to come out and let it go when you want the soap to stop. Remember, the handle control is under the handlebars where you push the machine. Squeeze when you want the soap to come out and let it go when you want the soap to stop. The next part of Extractor, we're going to be talking about the 2 tanks. The top tank is where the dirty water is stored. The bottom tank is where the clean water and detergent is. The bottom tank is where you're going to put the clean plus green and water inside there. The measurement is 1 cup of clean plus green to 5 gallons of water. Important to remember, 1 cup of clean plus green to 5 gallons of water, and you pour that in the bottom tank. The top tank is where the dirty water is stored. And on the top tank, there is a hose at the bottom. You can carry that to the toilet and empty it there. The cap is a twist lock. So after you open it, make sure you put it back, or you can take it to a floor sink and drain it that way. Then you bring it back to the extractor, put it on, and you're ready to go again. The next part of Extractor is adjusting the handlebars. Standing behind the machine. Unlock one side and then the other. Back straight, hand straight. Adjust the handlebars to kind of your midsection, and then when you have it comfortable, lock one side and then the other. Now you are ready to go. Let's recap. Step 1, go in front of the machine and press the lever down so the brushes are ready to vacuum. Step 2, come in the middle of the machine, the selector switch. Turn it to the left all the way. Step 3 is the top switch, left all the way, 1 drop. Step 4 is the handlebars is adjusted, so that is already no need to fix. We're gonna go plug in the machine and let's get vacuuming. Turn on the on button, tilt up and go forward, drop down. Squeeze the handle to let the soap out. Remember, first pass, squeeze, let the soap out. That is the first pass. See the soap? It is coming in the machine. That is a lot of soap. When you come to the end, tilt up and push forward. Drop down. The second pass, you are drying. Do not squeeze the handle. Remember, when you're going forward, tilt the machine up and push forward. Squeeze the handle for the first pass. This is the second pass. You are drying. Do not squeeze the handle. Let the machine dry the carpet as you are backing up. Remember, second pass, do not squeeze. Thank you for joining our extractor video. Please remember the first pass, squeeze to let the soap out, and the second pass, do not squeeze, let the extractor dry the carpet. Thank you.